Correct installation of the tubing into the quick connector is crucial for the tightness of the entire system. See how to do it step by step. Remove the locking clip from the collet and make sure the end of the tubing is cut straight. For demonstration purposes, we have color-coded the end of the tubing. Next, push the tubing inside. At some point, you will feel the first resistance. Note, this is not the end yet. The tubing has only reached the internal O-ring. Push the tubing harder to break through this resistance. Only when it slides in a few more millimeters to the very end will the connection be correct. Finally, slide the locking clip under the collet. It will lock the mechanism and secure the tubing against slipping out. To disconnect the tubing, first remove the locking clip. Then, press the collet against the fitting body. You can do this by hand or using a special quick connect tool. And while holding it down, smoothly pull the tubing out.